Accordi maggiori. Chords on open strings. Accordi con corde a vuoto. Accordi maggiori. Major chords. This is the first chord we'll learn, and it's C major, Do maggiore, Do maggiore. So we played, this is the first string, second string, third string, fourth string, fifth string, and sixth string. Prima corda, seconda corda, terza corda, quarta corda, quinta corda, sesta corda. Accordo di Do maggiore, C major chord. The sixth has to be mute. Don't play the sixth string. The fifth string, we put the third finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third finger on the fifth string, third fret. This is a C note. Second finger, we put on the fourth string, second fret. The third string has to be open. And the first finger, we put the first finger on the second string, first fret. And the first string has to be open. Let's play it. C major. We have to make this exercise. C major. When we play the C major with the right hand, we have thumb, index, middle finger, and ring finger. So P, E, M, R. So when we play the first chord, C major, we mute the sixth string, and then with the index finger, we play 4 times down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we mute those things. Now we play the C major chord with the metronome. The BPM is 60. Let's see now the left hand again. BPM 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C major. Do maggiore.